How does DRM protect digitized IP assets? Imagine your valuable intellectual property assets stored in digital form. Now, think about how to keep them safe from unauthorized access or copying. That's where digital rights management, or DRM, comes into play. DRM uses a mix of technology, policies, and procedures to control who can see, use, or share your digital content. This is especially important when managing legal documents, patents, trademarks, or other proprietary files in legal technology solutions. At the heart of DRM is encryption. This process turns your digital files into scrambled data that only authorized users with the right keys can decode. It's like locking your files with a digital lock that only certain people have the key to open. Encryption protects your content during storage and when it's being sent over the internet, making it much harder for cybercriminals to steal or tamper with your assets. DRM also sets up access controls. These are rules that verify who is trying to access the content and what they are allowed to do with it. For example, a legal team member might be able to view and edit a patent document, but not share or print it. Access controls can be based on user roles, device types, or even geographic locations. This way, only authorized personnel can interact with sensitive IP assets. Another important feature is license management. This defines how and when digital assets can be used. For instance, a license might allow a user to view a document for a certain number of days or limit how many times they can open a file. If a license expires or if someone violates the rules, DRM can automatically revoke access. This helps organizations stay compliant with copyright laws and internal policies. Metadata embedded within digital files plays a key role too. It records ownership details, usage restrictions, and copyright information. This makes it easier to track and audit who has accessed or modified a file. Digital watermarking adds an extra layer of security by embedding invisible markers into content. If a leak occurs, these markers can help trace the source of the breach back to the original user or device. DRM also offers usage tracking and reporting. It monitors how digital assets are accessed and used, providing data that helps organizations identify misuse or unauthorized sharing. This information supports better decision-making about how to protect and distribute IP assets. In legal technology solutions and IP management systems, DRM ensures that digitized legal documents, patents, trademarks, and other proprietary content stay protected from unauthorized access or changes. It helps maintain the integrity of sensitive information, reduces legal risks, and supports compliance with regulations. When DRM is integrated with digital asset management systems, organizations can streamline workflows while maintaining strict control over their IP. Legal and HR teams can securely store, retrieve, and share digitized content, knowing that DRM mechanisms are enforcing the right permissions and restrictions. In essence, DRM protects digitized intellectual property assets by encrypting files, controlling access, managing licenses, embedding metadata and watermarks, and tracking usage. These measures work together to keep your valuable digital content safe, compliant, and easy to manage within legal technology environments.